Nonke ku-speakndebele.com. Igama lami nguNtando, ngiyathaba kakhulu ukuba lani lapha namhla. Welcome again to speakndebele.com. My name is Ndando and I'm so pleased to be here with you today. In today's lesson, we're going to be learning about the phonetics, sounds, IMISINDO, YENKULUMO. Say that with me. IMISINDO, YENKULUMO. That's the sounds that all the different letters put together in ISINDEBELE make. You're going to need to know these because these are the foundation of how to say the words that you're going to be speaking in Ndebele. So let's do this and we'll have you speaking Ndebele in no time at all. Are you ready? Let's get to it. Let's start with our vowels. The vowels in Ndebele are very similar to the vowels in English in that they are A, E, I, O, U. However, in ISINDEBELE, they're said a little bit differently. So, here they are in Ndebele. The A vowel in Ndebele is A. The E vowel in Ndebele is E. The I vowel in Ndebele is I. The O vowel in Ndebele is O. And the U vowel in Ndebele is U. Did you get that? A, E, I, O, U. Say it with me. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, let's associate some words with these sounds. Let's do A. A word in Ndebele with the A sound is bala. Say it with me. Bala. Good. Bala means to write. Bala. Did you hear the A sound? Bala. Very good. Let's associate a word with the E sound. A word in Ndebele with the E sound is ekhaya. Did you hear that? Ekhaya. Ekhaya means at home. Ekhaya. Good. Let's associate a word with the I sound. A word in Ndebele with the I sound is imota. Say it with me. Imota. Very good. Imota is a car. Imota. Let's associate a word with the O sound. A word in Ndebele with the O sound is bona. Did you hear that? Try it with me. Bona. 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 Bona means to see. Very good. Let's associate a word with the U sound. Try it with me. U. Vula. U. Vula. Did you get that? Very good. Vula means to open. Excellent job. Now we're going to carry on learning the sounds that different letters put together in ISINDEBELE make. You're going to have to listen very carefully because a lot of them are very different to how they are or how they sound in English when put together. Okay, so let's start with B. In the alphabet, if you remember, we did that the B sounds. B has two different sounds, but we're going to go over them again right now. Okay, there's the softened B sound, which goes like this. V. Say it with me. V. Very good. A word in Ndebele with the softened B sound, V, is vava. Say that with me. Vava. Vava is dad or father. Uvava. Vava. Okay, then there's the other B sound, which is the hardened B sound. Many times when you add B and an H, when you add an H to a letter, in this case, when we add H to the B, it hardens the sound. It makes it a harder sound than the softened or the muted sound. So when we add B and H, we get the sound B. Say it with me. B. Very good. A word in Ndebele with the B, the hard B sound is beba. Say it with me, beba. Do you remember from the alphabet what beba means? It means to burn. Very good if you remembered. Beba means to burn. Now let's do MB. When you add M and B together, it makes the sound MB. Say it with me, MB. Did you get that? Good. A word in Ndebele with the MB MB sound is mbiza. Try it. Mbiza. Imbiza is a pot. Good. When we add MB and H, remember what we said? What does H do to a sound? It makes it hard and louder. Okay? So when we have MBH, the sound is MB. Remember there's MB and MB. Okay? So the H makes the sound harder. MB. A word in Ndebele with the MB sound is mbobo. Say it with me. Mbobo. Did you hear the MBH? Mb. Mbobo. Mb. Mbobo. Good. Mbobo is a gun. Mbobo. All right, let's move on to C. Now C has a few combinations that make it sound different. All right. If you remember from our alphabet lesson, if you have C on its own, this is the sound it makes. It's a softened click sound. Say it with me. Good. A word in Ndebele with the sound is ela. Say it with me. Ela. Excellent. Ela means to ask for something. Please, ela. I'm asking for. Ela. Okay. When you add N to the C click sound, this is the sound you're going to get. Did you hear that? So there's C by itself is the N and the C together is okay? A word in Ndebele with the sound is ncedo. Say it with me. Ncedo. Good. Ncedo means to help or to assist. Uncedo. Ncedo. All right, when you add H to C, remember, H hardens the sound. So when we add H to the C, it's going to harden that soft click sound and it's going to become K. So when you see CH in Ndebele, it's K. I know you'll be tempted to say ch, which is in English, but that's not how we say it in Ndebele. When you see CH, it's K. Say it with me. K. So we have K for C alone, N for N and C, and K for C and H. A word in Ndebele with the K sound is kago. Say it with me. Kago. Very good. Uchago is milk. Kago. You're doing very well. Let's do another C combination. When you add G before the C, it turns the sound into something different again. So listen very carefully. G and C together make the sound. T. Did you get that? Try it with me. T. One more time. T. So when you see G and C, you're going to say T. A word in Ndebele with the T sound is goba. Say this with me. Goba. Good. Goba means to smear stuff on your body like lotion or Vaseline. Goba. You know, goba. Good. Now, let's do one more C combination. When you add NG to C, you get the sound ng. Say it with me. Ng. Good. A word in Ndebele with the ng sound is ngola. Try that. Ngola. Did you get that? One more time. Ngola. Ngola means to be dirty. or to get dirty, ngola.